A professional digital business card gives customers instant access to your contact information using a smartphone. It can include your telephone number, WhatsApp, email address, website, location, social media profiles, services, photographs, and a QR code. In this guide, you will learn how to create a professional digital business card for your small business. Let us first understand what a digital business card is. A digital business card is an online contact page designed to work on smartphones, tablets, and computers. Instead of giving customers only a printed card, you can share one link or QR code. When customers open the card, they can call you, send a WhatsApp message, visit your website, find your location, or follow your social media pages. A digital business card can be useful for business owners, salespeople, consultants, contractors, doctors, restaurants, furniture companies, real estate agents, freelancers, and many other professionals. The first step is deciding what information should appear on the card. Start with your business logo. Use a clear, high-quality logo that represents your brand. The logo should not be too large, and it should remain easy to recognize on a mobile screen. Next, add a professional photograph. A personal photograph can help customers recognize the person behind the business. Use a clear photograph with good lighting and a simple background. Avoid blurry photographs, casual group photos, or images that do not match your professional identity. Add your full name and job title. For example, M.A. Majid, Managing Director. The name and designation should be easy to read and placed near the top of the card. Next, add the business name. Use the same business name that appears on your website, Google business profile, social media pages, invoices, and marketing materials. Consistency helps customers recognize and trust the business. The digital card should clearly explain what the business provides. You may include a short business description. For example, professional website design, search engine optimization, digital business cards, Google business profile optimization, and social media marketing. Keep the description short and easy to understand. The most important part of the card is the contact section. Add a call button. When customers tap this button, their phone should open the calling screen with your number ready. Add a WhatsApp button. The WhatsApp button should open a conversation directly with your business number. Add an email button. This should open the customer's email application with your business email address. Add a website button. The website button should open your official business website. Add a location button. This can open Google Maps and help customers find your office, shop, showroom, clinic, restaurant, or service location. You may also add a share button. The share button allows customers to send your digital card to another person through WhatsApp, email, or other supported applications. Social media links can also be included. Add only the platforms your business actively uses. These may include Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, TikTok, or X. Do not add inactive social media profiles. Customers may lose confidence when they open a page that has not been updated for a long time. A QR code is another important feature. A QR code allows customers to open the digital business card by scanning it with their phone camera. The QR code can be added to printed business cards, brochures, quotations, invoices, shop displays, product packaging, exhibition stands, and email signatures. Always test the QR code before printing it. Make sure it opens the correct digital card link. The design of the card should match the business brand. Use consistent colors, fonts, icons, and visual style. For example, a digital marketing company may use a modern technology-inspired design. A furniture company may use a professional interior or office background. A clinic may use a clean and calm design. A restaurant may use warm colors and high-quality food photography. The design should support the business identity. It should not make the card difficult to read. Use clear text and strong contrast between the text and background. Avoid placing light text on a bright background. Avoid using too many colors. Avoid very small fonts. The card must be mobile-friendly. Most customers will open it on a smartphone. All buttons should be large enough to tap easily. The card should fit the screen properly without forcing the customer to zoom or scroll sideways. It should also load quickly. Compress large photographs and background images. Avoid unnecessary animations or heavy videos that may slow down the card. The digital business card should use a secure web address. A secure website normally begins with HTTPS. This helps protect the connection and gives customers more confidence when opening the card. Choose a simple and professional link. For example, Djeema.com/card or Djeema.com/Majid. A short link is easier to remember and share. You may also add a button that allows customers to save your contact details. This can download a contact file containing your name, phone number, email address, website, company name, and job title. The customer can then save your contact directly to their phone. A professional digital business card can also connect with your main website. The digital card should contain a button that opens the website. The main website may also include a button or QR code that opens the digital card. Connecting both pages gives customers different ways to explore your business. A digital card can also be added to a phone's home screen. This allows the card to work almost like a small mobile application. The card icon can display the business logo, making it easy to open again. You should review every button before sharing the card. Test the call button. Test the WhatsApp button. Test the email address. Test the website. Test the location. Test every social media link. Test the QR code. Open the card on both Android and iPhone when possible. Also test it on different screen sizes. Check that the logo, photograph, text, and buttons display correctly. Avoid common digital business card mistakes. Do not use an incorrect phone number. Do not use an outdated email address. Do not add broken social media links. Do not use a low-quality logo. Do not include too much text. Do not use too many animations. Do not hide the important contact buttons. Do not create a QR code before confirming the final link. Do not forget to update the card when your contact information changes. A digital business card should be maintained regularly. Update your job title, telephone number, website, address, services, social media profiles, and photographs whenever necessary. You can share the digital card in many ways. Send the link through WhatsApp. Add it to your email signature. Place the QR code on a printed card. Add it to quotations and invoices. Share it on social media. Display it at exhibitions and business meetings. Add it to your website. A professional digital business card makes sharing your business information faster, easier, and more memorable. It gives customers one convenient place to call, message, email, visit, locate, and share your business. It can support both personal branding and company branding. Djeema Digital Marketing helps small businesses create professional digital business cards, websites, search engine optimization, Google Business Profile optimization, and social media marketing. Visit Djeema.com and subscribe for more practical digital marketing tutorials.